WhatsApp chat backup and restore. How to restore WhatsApp chats on Android. To backup and restore WhatsApp chats on Android, first let's go to backing up these things. First, we will simply open up WhatsApp, tap on the three dots on the top right hand side and simply go to settings. Then from there we will simply go to chats. Then we will scroll down and tap on the option chat backup. Here you can choose a Google account that you want to back up to, because it will save in the drive of that Google account. Then if you want to include videos, that's perfectly fine. I would recommend you turn this off unless you really need those videos, because it is going to increase the size of the backup and it will take longer to backup and restore also. So if you don't need it, just turn it off and just tap on the backup button. Once the backup is complete, let's say that you are trying to log in and restore on a new phone or on this phone after resetting it. So assuming that this is the new phone itself, I'll just actually try to go to this add account feature here. So unless this is the new phone, right, assuming, you just have to log into that same phone number and also make sure that you logged in the same Google account where your WhatsApp chat was backed up. So if you saved in that Google account, make sure the Google account is logged in on your phone. When you enter the new or the same phone number and tap on the next button, it will automatically recognize if there is a backup installed for this particular number on that particular account. So if there is that backup, then you will be able to restore those backup, because it will give you the option. Only once it will ask you for the permission, so be very careful and choose to restore it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.